Hey guys, it's Brooke with Clear Creek RVs, and today we're going to check out the 21MBE Imagine XLS. All right, so right here in the rear of the trailer, you're going to have your outdoor kitchen, your fridge, your griddle, and then you've got this little nifty spray port, so that way you can spray off your dishes and stuff like that, your feet. All right, so now we're going to go inside and check some stuff out. All right, so one of the main features of this trailer is the Murphy bed. You can either sit down right here, or you can fold this out, turn it into another little bed. All right, so you've got the theater seating right here, directly in front of the TV. I know that's a big thing. A lot of people don't like to break their neck. They want to be able to look at the TV straight on. So you've got a lot of cabinet space here in the kitchen, a lot of counter space as well. A little 3-burner stove, and this one has the oven. Got a little bitty oven so you can make some biscuits. So these are double bunks. They're big, they're wider, and you also have a little bit of storage up underneath there as well. So now we're in the bathroom. This is the golden throne. It's a porcelain toilet, big shower. Again, so if you're tall, you can actually stick your head in the skylight. A lot of counter space right here, so you can get ready a little bit easier in this as well. So the fact that this is only 25 feet, you have a lot of bathroom space, and that's pretty uncommon with this size. All right, so you've got a really big countertop in here, a lot of drawers and stuff like that, and you've got your little hideaway trash can. For coming along and hanging out with me on the Imagine.